Welcome to this year's Solar Solution Düsseldorf. Today we will show you our new Flat Roof 3 system. This is one of our latest products in our product portfolio, so let's get started. What was the idea behind the new system? Building on our Flat Roof 2 system, we thought about to expand and optimize our system. So here you can see how it turned out to be. Our Flat Roof 3 system consists out of 3 elements: the base, the elevation and the module assembly. One of our main difference to our former systems is that we don't necessarily need tools anymore, but the coolest feature is our click system. It makes installing easier, quicker, and it reduces mounting errors. First, we have to connect the base with each other. So you just put them together, very easy. After this, we go to the elevation. So we just click it inside because it has a very easy click-in design. But how can we ensure the load distribution and less ballasting? For this purpose, we developed our crossbar and our support brace. Anyone who knows us a little bit will recognize this clamp. This is our standard clamp. Thanks to our locking function, we just click it easy in. Super fit, and we also use it for Flat Roof 3. And if you still have struggles by sawing rails on the roof, I can tell you, water under the bridge. Thanks our short components and a high degree of prefabrication, we have low logistical effort and optimal handling. And if you need more information, reach out for us or check on novotegra.com or so on. Thanks a lot.